Now, I have the honor and pleasure of having with me today Dr. Swasti Pathak, NEET PG rank 6. And I want you to hear me again, rank 6. And she's one of the top 10 students in this NEET PG, and she's I've been interacting with her for last half an hour or 1 hour, and I find that she's a very determined and a very intelligent girl, and I'm sure we can talk to her and find out her secrets for getting such a rank. And if you are aspiring for NEET next year, you can benefit by learning from her and getting some inspiration or some guidance regarding NEET. So, how are you feeling, Swasti, today?
Uh, I can't express it in words because I never expected such a rank in NEET. I was a mediocre or above mediocre student during my
So that
college.
is very modest of you to say that. You have got a rank 6, and I'm sure you must be very good at your college as well. So where did you graduate from?
I have done my MBBS from King George Medical University, Lucknow.
KGMC Lucknow. That's a very good college. And how was your what kind of a student would you say you were in college?
I was pretty good.
Gold medalist?
Yeah.
She was very good actually. I have been talking to her. I know she's a very good student throughout the medical school, and she is a very hardworking student. And now you joined the IDAMS course with us, the tablet based course with us.
Yes.
So do you think that with that tablet we have tried to reach out to students who cannot come to the classes because of various reasons?
Yes, sir. Of course.
So did you you have listened to my class in the tablet before?
Yes.
So that is so interesting. So with in DAMS we make the effort to reach out to students through our different mechanisms. We have the face-to-face classroom. We have a Sky, which is a satellite-based video conferencing classroom, which is there in 140 centers today. And plus we have a tablet-based course called as IDAMS, which is where if you cannot reach us, we will reach you somehow. That is our philosophy. That is the way we go about it. Now, Swasti, I want you to tell people about, there is a lot of that mist around. Like, what should I do about NEET? You must have felt the same when you were in the same boat last year. So, can you give me some advices for the people listening to us today about NEET preparation? What should they do if they are focusing for NEET next year?
First of all, don't think that it is something not doable. It is a doable thing, and have faith in yourself, and as well as your stuff, your coaching notes, DAMS notes. You should have full faith in them. Everything in the exam, in NEET exam, came from notes only. So, and last but not the least is revision. Revision is very important for NEET because revision, if you have revised things many times, then there will be no confusion while marking answers. There will be no confusion.
I see what you're trying to say is that I've seen many people who have studied, but on the day of the exam they do mistakes.
Exactly.
And the reason of those silly mistakes is lack of revision.
Yes.
So, but how many revisions did you plan in your preparation?
So, my first reading ended by September, and then I revised thrice before NEET.
That's actually ideal.
Yes,
Like if you finish by September, you have ample time to do at least 2 or 3 revisions before NEET.
Yes.
Because if you do something once, although it gives you a good feeling, but when it is asked in the exam, you are not able to recall. You have to do it again. Anything that you do not touch again does not come back to you in the exam is the moral that we have to gain out of it. Now, I also want to find out from you, did you give the DAMS CBT test that we conduct every year?
Yes, sir.
Which center did you appear for?
Sir, Lucknow.
Lucknow. So you went to the Lucknow center to give the CBT test?
Yes.
Did you like the experience, and did it help you to feel like the real exam?
Yes, sir. I felt exactly like I felt the day the
Heartbeat also went up?
yes, sir.
Okay, so what was your rank in the DAMS CBT?
So I got 44th rank.
44th rank. And did that give you confidence that you are on the right direction?
Yes, sir. It definitely boosted me up to do even
Because
better.
in the morning we were talking to the CBT rank 1, Kautalya Patel, and he ended up getting 7th rank in NEET. I think he's just after you.
Yes.
So you will meet him in the counseling as well, I'm sure. So we have talked about NEET. What do you think people who are in like second, third year of MBBS and they want to start studying at this time, do you recommend that, or if they should study, what should they study in third year? Any idea?
Sir, they should join a regular classroom course at DAMS, and they should make proper notes so that during internship they don't have to make those notes again. They can revise things up before appearing in any class, and they are done with the subject once the class is over. And T&D sessions they can join in during internship.
So, do you feel that if somebody does the classroom in third year and final year, so by the time they reach the internship, they have that luxury of having the notes
Exactly,
prepared already.
sir. Yes.
So that helps a lot. So, so far what we have gained from you is that people who are preparing for NEET next year should remember that there is a advantage of starting early, and then when you end, you have to keep time for revision. Multiple revisions will help you. Now I have a very academic question for you. I want you to tell me which topics people who are listening to me, they want to know which topics according to you they should stress on if they're preparing for next NEET. Very difficult question.
Sir,
Which
topic or
maybe?
subjects?
Topics. Subject is so wide. They all know the 19 subjects. Give me topics. Maybe like ECG.
Sorry,
Yeah, leading question.
Yes, sir.
They can look at ECG. Any.
So, this year we had a lot of visuals in NEET as well.
Yes.
So
This was a unique NEET that if you compare it from the last year, they have increased the number of visuals a lot. So that is one of the things she says.
So ECG, definitely ECG, and pathology slides, and few microbiology parasites. We should have an idea.
And I think PSM, community medicine, biostatistics.
Yes, sir.
These are like evergreen important subjects. Right. So we have with her Dr. Swasti Pathak. People who have just joined in, just to tell them, she is rank 6 NEET PG this year. Rank 6, and she is a very intelligent student, and I am trying to take out from her the messages for students. So I want the second message from you. Now the second message is going to be, I want to know that you have to tell people that what kind of what do you think is your strength, in personality wise, or what do you think is your strength that made you come to this heights. Where somebody would say my strength is hard work, somebody would say my strength is courage. What do you think is your strength?
So my strength is my hard work. As I already told that I am not very exceptional student. I was a mediocre or above mediocre student in my college, and it's all hard work that got me this rank.
So hard work always pays.
Pays.
Is the message that she gives. And I also want you now to give everybody a motivational message. You have to say something that will motivate them, create that fire in them, that they study harder.
Do not give up so easily, because there will be times during your preparation when you'll feel like you know everything, and then there will be some dull moments. Then
did you have dull moments in your preparation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So did you feel low at times that it will not be possible?
Yes, sir.
So you want to tell others also that it is natural.
It is totally natural, and those who deal with those low times well, they are the ones who achieve,
who become the champions. Like her, she is a champion. She has rank 6 NEET PG exam, and the message that she wants to give you is that there will be ups and downs during this year of preparation, but if you manage the downs well, there is a great success lying ahead for you. You will get a good rank, and I'm sure many of you sitting today, appearing for the exam next year, looking at the interview today, can visualize yourself in her, in her place, and you can be the rank 6 next time if you do these things that she says. She says start early, spend good time on revision in the end, and she says have faith on your hard work, manage your low times well. Everybody would have highs and lows, is her message. Any final message that you want to say before we sign off?
All the best to especially my juniors at KGMC and all of you listening to me. I never had any idea that I'll be sitting here and I'll be live and I'll be spreading my tactics with you guys, but I'm here. If I can be here, so can you. So all the best.
Thank you very much. And I'm sure people from KGMC would be very proud of your achievement. You have created a belief for them as well that if my senior can do it, they can also do it. And I'm sure this would go out as a message for everybody that if you work hard enough, there is everything is possible. Thank you and best of luck, everybody.
Thank you,
And
sir.
on behalf of the entire DAMS team, I again wish her all the best. I'm sure India is going to get a good doctor with her. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.